आढावा घेण्यासाठी पुन्हा एकदा म्हापसा बसस्थानकाची संबंधित अधिकाऱ्यांनी पाहणी केली, मात्र परिस्थिती जैसे थे आहे।
See, whole thing will burn and all these vehicles catch fire. Yeah. So what I also wanted to suggest now, we can put some messages on this inside of the wall. Some like fire safety messages, road safety messages. See, automatically the place will be kept clean. Even health department can sponsor. You know, yeah, you can have different messages. See, ultimately what happens, when something is clean, nobody wants to throw dirt. But when there is little bit dirt, you add to that dirt. So, just take note of these numbers.
ही गाडी सर 2 वर्षापासून ही करून काढला आम्ही ते एक्सचेंज ही 2 वर्ष झाले आम्ही कंप्लीट कितके पुढे कंप्लीट करून हे आम्ही एका काढला।
अभी तुम 10 रुपया लिया तो 20 रुपया के ऑटो टिकट क्यों देता है उसको? अरे बाबा तुम्हारा पास 10 रुपया का टिकट है लेकिन वो नहीं देता है। हाँ, और 20 रुपया क्यों टिकट देता है? ये हमको बोलो एक कैसा चलता है? वो सीरियल नंबर है ना 009, वो सीरियल नंबर है। 10 रुपया पब्लिक से लेता है, 20 रुपया देता है। वो टैक्स का मामला है तो किसको पैसा हो जाता है? वो ब्लैक का पैसा किधर को जाता है?
सर एक सांगू माहिती का ना ये टिकट म्हटले ना
आणि दुसरे see there is his uniform. See, you read the agreement, no? He cannot collect without a uniform. I told you last time.
सर एक सांगू ना
तुम्हारा यूनिफॉर्म किधर है?
पताओं किधर है? नहीं है।
पात्राम किधर है? तुम्हारा पात्राम कौन है?
वो बताओ।
हाँ? विनोद नाइक। मैं तो तुम्हारा यूनिफॉर्म किधर है? एग्रीमेंट में लिखा ना, एग्रीमेंट में यूनिफॉर्म डालने का है।
सर एक सांगते तिकीट सांगतो होता हे आता तिकीट आता का दिले पार्किंग दिले नो एक पाडी तीच तिकीट करता आपण कॉलेक्ट करता आणि ते दुसऱ्याक देता।
पळय कितें आसा न्हू हे तेका लागून हांव म्हणटा कदंबान आपलो एग्रीमेंट चॅक करपा जाय। दिस इज वेटिंग फॉर ट्रबल। दोनशी पळय मागीर फाल्यां कितें जातालें न्हू गाडी कोणें उडयले कितें उडयलें मागीर जप स्टार्ट जाता होल थिंग वील गो देन युअर एंटायर थिंग हॅज टू बी शट डाउन।
नाही ते सकाळी क्लीन झाले
ना हांव कितें म्हणून सोदता न्हू let nothing be told. तू हांगा झाडां लाय मरे, put some flower pots here, then nobody will throw anything. हाँ? This is municipality area?
ये म्युनिसिपालिटी सदा ते येऊन कलेक्ट करतात ते सगळं सांगायचं लोक आडा कचरा ओढतात।
It has not been tested.
No, it has not been tested.
So can you
the valve also is missing. Yes. Hose box also is not there.
So can you go for a testing by a particular day? See, your 5 days coming on 14 April. त्याच्या पहिले तू एक कर 14 एप्रिलच्या पहिले you test it no and say whatever is these are recommended.
I'll do that.
I'll
give a
because that is a good occasion.
And they should not park anything here. No, how they will come to this?
And therefore,
There should be hose boxes also.
yeah, and hydrant कितले parking, no parking area.
It should cordon there. They should cordon there.
Cordon that you can recommend.
It is done in the other market.
Yeah, for this what happens no, unless you give a direction to Kadamba or municipality, they will not put it. So तुमचा पेअर पार्किंग वाला टोल तर फक्त पैसे घेता मरे त्याचे काम आहे एज पर द एग्रीमेंट टू क्लियर दिस नो अँड यू पुट अ सायनेज दॅट नो पार्किंग म्हणून। आता पळय जाणट्या लोकांक जर चलतलो पळय ही बस आता हा देर इज अ टाइम दॅट देर इज अ बस हियर ऑल्सो पण लोकांनी कशें चलपाचें तूं म्हाका म्हणून म्हाका रावंड घेवचो पडटलो। So if you want to make this a pedestrian path, then this bike should be removed from here. See what happened now? See, you tell me this. कुसून येता? हाँ?
Banda.
हाँ?
Banda.
मागीर ताका लायसन्स ना मरे? खंय हा लायसन्स? कोणाचो लायसन्स जालें ताका? गोयच्या स्टेटीत भितर येवपाक ताका लायसन्स आसपाक जाय फूड लायसन्स ना मरे these items because what is happening, that is the issue which came last time. All the items which don't have the label, proper label. See, they have to have FDA license. If FDA license is not there, lift it. Wherever there is FDA license, okay. Where there is no FDA license, they won't go. See. Label ना मरे पत्ता ना. पण label दोन ना का फाले दुयेंस जाले तुका तू त्रासान पडटलो मागीर. सारकें दवर मरे तुका खबर आहा न्हू प्रोसिजर कितें आहा तें तूं हें घेतात कित्याक तूं चॅक कर मरे लेबल ना रिटर्न कर ताका सोमतेच रिटर्न घेनाका तूं दिस इज बिकमिंग अ डंपिंग ग्राउंड ही आतां पळय ही गाडी ना ना पळय ही गाडी तुका क्लियर दिसून येता पळय पळय ही केन्नाच्यान आहा तूं पळय आतां आनी पळय मरे हें वास पळय मरे कितलो येता सी ऑल दीस नो 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 सी वॉट हॅपन नो दॅट No, what I am saying, then you put one this thing here. This is Kadamba property. That is kitari kar. Now what happens? No, nobody knows. Boy, I think I sang no. Here tari clean kar no. Boy, chappal ani hai ani kire sagre. See, this is only going to result in fire. You know. Bhai uzo petlo sagre. He आता boy, he गाड़ी boy. He pay parking area.
No.
Huh? So there is no parking to be allowed here. So we should remove it, no? So toll, go pay parking contractor also. Say is out there. Get the number plate. प्लास्टिक दोन मुतपाक बरो चान्स दिता मरे तूं हा सावडी दिता बरें मुतपाक ताका सावडी कित्याक दिता तूं See, today this is a follow-up inspection of 27 January where officials who were not able to come last time, particularly fire department, electricity department and PWD, they were requested to come today. And some of the issues which are covering their areas we are looking at today. At the same time, today we are also doing a follow-up, particularly on issues of legal metrology, food and drugs, urban health center, traffic police, and those issues that we had identified last time. So a consolidated report will be submitted to Deputy Director North Transport, which will be given for onward dispatch to Collector North Goa to be included and discussed for the District Road Safety Council. So we are happy today that we have got the officials from the other departments today, and there are some very clear positive signs. As you can see, the traffic police has already prepared a diagram for opening of the entry and exit of the bus stand for smooth movement of the vehicles. Now this is exactly what we are interested in. Today we have also identified the areas for the fire department where they can give the recommendations about fire safety, fire extinguishers, and at the same time we have identified some areas for the electricity department like protection to the transformer, in seeing that proper guard wires are there, stay wires for the poles that are inside the bus stand. These are some of the issues we have highlighted today.